Gates open. They're up and racing for the 2012 Pilrocom Commissioner's Cup. Heaven Sent draws for your lead, being joined by Arvin Dugo on the outside. Tensile Strength racing in third. Down in Port Barkley, then comes Chismosa, while Raon is the early trailer. Passing the winning post for the first time, two runners batting it out for the lead. Heaven Sent running by the rail alongside Arvin Dugo, then watching in third, Tensile Strength. Barkley down in fourth, Chismosa second last, and Raon in that order. As they turn towards the 3/4 mile pole, now we have Arvin Dugo by 3/4 of a length. Running by the rail, Heaven Sent down in third, Tensile Strength, Barkley, Chismosa, and Raon. As they move towards the 900 meters post, it's Arvin Dugo now by about 2 lengths, followed by Heaven Sent. Getting closer in third, Tensile Strength, then followed by Barkley. Then comes Chismosa, and Raon still running at the tail of the field. Past the half-mile pole, Arvin Dugo leading the field. About to throw the challenge on the outside is Tensile Strength. Heaven Sent drops back in third. Then comes Barkley, Chismosa, and Raon. Rounding at the last 600. Now we have Tensile Strength takes up the running on the outside over Arvin Dugo in second. As they turn to the final 450 with a substitute rider, Tensile Strength now with Pat Dilemma over Arvin Dugo in second. Closing in third is the stablemate of Arvin Dugo, and this one is 2-8 Chismosa. Barkley racing in fourth, and down the stretch they come. Tensile Strength running on the outside with Pat Dilemma. Jonathan Hernandez with Chismosa moving up down on the inside. Now we have Chismosa takes the lead, Tensile Strength, and finally Chismosa bagging the 2012 Pilrocom Commissioner's Cup over Tensile Strength. Then comes Arvin Dugo, Barkley, Raon, and Heaven Sent.